In this video, we'll explore the transactions area of the Sage Sole Trader mobile app. When you log into the app, you'll automatically land on the Transactions tab. Draft transactions act as an inbox for digital records, where you can add money in and money out transactions in different ways. Regardless of the source, all pending transactions appear here until they are reviewed, verified, and completed. There are 3 ways to bring transactions in. Auto-create transactions from an image or a file, from bank feeds, or manually add transactions. First, let's look at automatically creating transactions from an image or file. This feature is only available for paid users. Press the plus icon and choose between a money in or money out transaction. For this example, we will select money in. Then, press upload receipts or invoices. Choose between taking a picture and adding from photos or files. Once uploaded, the transaction appears in Draft Transactions. Open the transaction to review its details. AI technology will analyze the transaction details and attempt to predict the correct category. Review the assigned category to ensure accuracy and make any necessary adjustments. The description, date, and amount are automatically extracted from the invoice, but can be changed if necessary. The uploaded image is attached to the transaction and can be viewed anytime. Additionally, you can add comments related to this transaction and record it as a refund or transfer, or delete the transaction if you need to. Then press Edit and select the payment source. Accounts connected to bank feeds cannot be used. This is to prevent duplication. To continue, press Next and Next again. To save the transaction and move this to your completed transactions, press Save. If you've connected a bank feed, your banking transactions are imported automatically, with the relevant bank account displayed under the transaction amount. To process a transaction, press the relevant one from the list. The description, date, amount, and payment source are extracted automatically. If you're using the paid version of Sage Sole Trader, AI technology will analyze the transaction details and attempt to predict the correct category. Review the assigned category to ensure accuracy and make any necessary adjustments. If you're on the free plan, you'll need to manually assign the category. Additionally, you attach a receipt or supporting document by pressing Add Attachments and following the on-screen steps. Add multiple documents to one transaction if required. You can add comments related to this transaction and record it as a refund or transfer if applicable. To save the transaction and move this to your completed transactions, press Save. To manually create a transaction, from the Transactions tab, press the plus icon. Select Money In or Money Out. In this example, we'll create a money out transaction for expense. Enter the details of the transaction, including the amount and the source, which is the bank account you spent the money from and the date. Finally, enter a description and press Next. If needed, you can split a transaction across multiple categories. For example, if you purchase fuel for both business and personal use, you can split it into 2 categories. One as a business expense and the other as a non-business expense. Accurately categorizing expenses ensures your tax reports remain up to date. If unsure, consult your accountant. To split the transaction, press Split Transaction and press Add an item. Amend the description if you need to and enter the amount. Choose the category and press Save Item. The remaining amount to be categorized is displayed. Repeat the process until the remaining amount is 0. To continue, press Next. Review the transaction details, press Save Split, and click Next. To save the transaction and move this to your completed transactions, press Save. You've now learned how to create, process, and manage transactions in the Sage Sole Trader mobile app.